Hi everyone, hope all of you are having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you a YouTube automation program which is online and you can actually access it. And pretty much I wanted to give a review of the full review for the program that is done by the channel called AI-Pocalypse, right? And I actually took his program, I think, close to about 4 months back. So I just wanted to give a refresher. So if you are someone out there who's looking to start a YouTube automation as a business model, if this program is going to be the right fit for you or not, right? So let's review it together. And literally, I bought a program. It's literally on a Skool platform, right? So you can access it, and it's not a expensive program. You can literally get access for, I believe $49 per month that you're gonna be paying for this actual program, right? So you're gonna be pretty much clicking on the link which is actually provided on here, right? Skool, and Skool is a platform which is actually used by a lot of people, and pretty much I also had my own program inside Skool, but I just closed it because I found that helping the client one-on-one was the only way they were actually getting success, like a lot of success. Okay, so pretty much what you can actually be doing is you're going to be clicking on join 47, and pretty much you're going to be paying 47 a month, and then you're going to be accessing the whole program. Okay, so which is done by Theory Crawler, right? And literally got like 47 members, which is not a lot of members because out of these 47 there's like 4 admins, so you can just do your own numbers, right? And literally he teaches you how you can set up your channel, pretty much starting up a channel from scratch, and you're gonna be building the channel. And he also teaches you how you can be selecting the niche for YouTube automation channel, and he dives deep into selecting the right niche, and also how you can actually find all of these hidden niches, right, which has like a very low competition. Okay, so he goes deep into it, and he also teaches how you can actually just write your own script, and pretty much get the AI to create the script for you. And he also gives you a few of the prompts which you can actually also be using to be able to create the videos. And pretty much he also teaches you the edits, how you can actually also learn the edits. He teaches you step by step on edits, and pretty much goes like really deep into editing, and teaches you how you can also create your own thumbnail, and use the AI voiceover software. And the one that he actually recommends is I believe from 11 Lab, but there's like a lot of softwares out there, so you can actually just use the one that you can better understand, and which is low cost as well. But the one that he teaches is 11 Lab, and which is also being used by a lot of people in the Faceless channel space. Okay, so literally can just read all of this in here, and he also gives you like a list of file, which is like pretty much like a prompt that he gives you as well, how you can actually title your videos, and also he teaches you a lot of different niches, which is untapped niche that we call. He also gives you a lot of untapped niches as well, right? So overall I find that anyone who's actually looking to start their own Faceless channel, this is can be a good starter. And pretty much he teaches you like step by step, so that way you can actually get your feet wet and also start creating content and become a creator. I recommend this to anyone who's just getting started, but someone who's actually advanced. And if you already have a successful channel, I don't recommend this one. But if you do want to have that vast knowledge, because I always like to learn from different people. Whoever is getting the most amount of results, I always like to learn from them as well. But I believe it's like a good start. Like $47 is not a bad amount of money that you can be spending on this actual program, right? So however, it doesn't provide you a already monetized channel. What I do provide is, like, for my one-on-one mentoring students, what I do provide them is I provide them a already monetized channel, and I also share with them a lot of different strategies, untapped niches, and also like monetizing a channel, and also getting a already monetized channel, so that way you can actually start to earn from day one, and you don't have to wait like months or even years to start a faceless channel and start making money. You can literally start a channel on a monetized channel, and you can start uploading videos and you can start making money from day one. Okay, so if you want to know more about like how I also provide one-on-one support, I don't have a step-by-step program, but I like to get on a video-based call with a client, so that way I can share on a video-based call rather than having a program or course, because program or courses, it takes a lot of time to actually keep updating, keep updating, keep updating. So what I do provide is I provide like a one-on-one support and guide, so that way it's a fresh knowledge that you're gonna be getting, right? It's a advanced strategy that is working in current time, and you're gonna get direct help and support from me. It's like a 5 to 6 weeks program that you're gonna get access from me. And if you wanna know money, want to see my results, you can actually just go to the playlist section. There's like a lot of videos that I had also done, a lot of clients that I've also helped. Like, you can click on YouTube mentoring clients, right? If you want to see my results as well, you can see my results till the time I started. You can see 21, 22, 23, and I keep adding this more results on here on a daily basis. But if you want to also go to my video section, you can also see like the amount of vast knowledge that I also provide, and also my results for fresh starting the channel, and also starting on an already monetized channel, right? So that way I can start earning from day one and don't just waste time. And also, if you want to access my free step-by-step training, you can just click on the playlist section and come here, $10,000 YouTube training. You can just click that and access it. However, if you want to know more about my one-on-one mentoring, you can just reach out to me. I'll leave my Facebook link down in the description and also in the comment section. You can connect to me via Facebook and we can chat more in there. So that's all for AI-Pocalypse program, right? It's awesome, but you don't get a already monetized channel, and monetizing a channel can take somewhere between like 3 to 6 months. Sometimes it can take even longer to even get a channel monetized. However, I do provide a already monetized channel, so that way you can start earning from day one, right? So again, thank you so much, and I'll speak to you soon. God bless. Bye for now.